Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Jeep Compass without a key. First, if your remote isn't working, the most common issue is a dead key fob battery. Many modern key fobs, including those for the Jeep Compass, have a small, hidden mechanical key inside. This emergency key is your primary backup for gaining entry. Always check your fob for a small release button or slide to access this crucial tool. Once you've identified the hidden mechanical key, it's time to use it. Slide the small button on your key fob and pull out the metal key blade. Next, locate the keyhole on the driver's side door handle. It might be concealed by a small cover. Insert the mechanical key and turn it to unlock the door. Be aware that opening the door this way might activate your vehicle's alarm, which is completely normal. After successfully entering your Jeep Compass, you'll need to start it to silence the alarm and drive. Even with a dead key fob battery, you can still start the vehicle. First, ensure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal. Then, take your key fob and use its top or side to press the engine start/stop button. This action allows the vehicle to detect the fob's internal chip, enabling the engine to start. To prevent future lockouts, it's wise to replace your key fob battery every 1 to 2 years. Keeping a spare mechanical key, perhaps in your wallet, is also an excellent preventative measure. If you find yourself unable to unlock your Jeep Compass using these methods, do not force entry. Instead, contact a professional locksmith or your roadside assistance service for safe and effective help. They have specialized tools to assist you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.